This high-lift mower blade set is a simple upgrade that can make a big difference in your lawn, whether you're a weekend warrior tending to your yard or professional maintaining multiple properties. These blades are built to give your mower the power and performance it needs to deliver a clean, crisp cut every time. Designed specifically for 42-inch deck lawnmowers, these blades are compatible with popular Husqvarna models. They replace OEM parts and aftermarket part numbers, so if you're maintaining older equipment or shopping for a cost-effective upgrade, this 3-pack offers direct fit and great value. Look at the listing to make sure all dimensions match your machine. These are high-lift blades, which means they're engineered to generate stronger airflow underneath the mower deck. That suction lifts grass blades upright before cutting, which results in a more even and professional-looking cut. The high lift also helps with efficient bagging and discharge, making them ideal if you deal with tall grass, leaves, or thick foliage. The durable steel construction ensures long-lasting use, and the cutting edges come sharp and ready to go out of the box. These blades not only cut better, they last longer and resist bending or dulling, even under heavy use. Whether you're mowing wet grass or tough dry patches, you can count on them to power through reliably. Installation is straightforward. If you've ever changed blades before, you'll find this set to be a direct fit. Just make sure your mower is powered down, supported safely, and use the proper torque when tightening.